What is up guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Byju's premium package. So Byju is basically a visual learning app. So they offer a tab program, that is a distance learning program, or a class learning program. So I opted for the digital learning program, that's through a tab. So the package arrived to me today. So let's unbox it guys. I've already opened the package just to ensure that the items are as promised. Opening up the pouch, we get this box. This is the back of the box. This is the front of the box. Fine, let's unbox it guys. Opening up it inside, we are greeted up with some phrases. Intelligence is curiosity, asking questions, come fall in love with learning. That's the tagline for the app. So opening up, we get another booklet sort of thing. What's this? Okay, they showing their creativity. There's nothing for us, just for kids. Moving this aside, the box contains, we get a sticker booklet. Oh man, these are obviously for kids, not for us. Throw it. And then we get a badge. Okay, 2 badges. Fine, that's usable for us. And another badge. And moving on further, we get a pouch. Sorry guys. So this pouch, nothing but it contains your SD card. These are basically offline courses, so you don't need internet to access the videos. So I opted for the 11th and 12th course. So here's the 12th. So you might be wondering where's the 11th. It's already in the tab guys. So moving on, let's take this out. Here we go. The Lenovo Tab 37. The Lenovo Tab 37 Essentials. This is the tab which I opted for. There's even a Samsung tab available. This is actually a 7-inch tab. You also get the 10-inch tab, that's why the box is big. So the 10-inch tabs cost you a bit more, but I guess the 7-inch would be far than enough. So let's unbox it. Actually, but before I unbox this, the Byju's people have unboxed it and installed the software and also inserted the SD card. So moving in, let's look at the box first of all. Yep. So there's a spec sheet. If you want, you can pause and read it. Then opening up, we get the tab wrapped up in plastic. So this is basically a tab. So let's keep this aside and look in the box contents. So there's a charger. It's obviously, it has to be a normal charger. Yes, it is. It is a 5 volt 2 ampere charger. Tab don't get fast charging. I hate that. And there's a USB cable. It's not type C, obviously. I'm not talking phones. And there are instruction manuals, warranty card, some important product information. Why would they give that the name? Keeping this all aside, now let's just look at the tab. So opening it up, we get the tab itself. Obviously I've unboxed the box. So this is the tab. Let's have a physical overview. It has some specs over it now. Yeah, it's basically a 7-inch tab. It has front firing speakers, so it's better, but the speaker quality is really worst. But I would suggest it's enough because it's front firing. And This tab is fully made of plastic. Still, this has a good quality. In the sense, the finish is great for plastic. And here is the slot for inserting the SD card. Let me open it for you guys. Okay, there's already an SD card installed. There's nothing but the 11th standard SD card. Actually, there should be a SIM slot over here, but they've cancelled it in this version, so there's no SIM. You have to do it through Wi-Fi, all the processes. There's no calling. This is not support for calling. Then let's turn on the tab. Booting it up. It says powered by Android. Sorry for the focusing issues. I'm shooting through this my Honor 6X. It says Lenovo. Waiting it for to boot it up. Let's look at the specs for some time. So the tabs are boot up. Forget the fucking specs. I would say the screen is not bad for a tab, but remind this is not full HD. This is not even HD. The PPI is gonna be really bad. It's almost 220 pixels per inch, I guess. So it's actually a normal tab itself. Just install the app. So here is the Byju's premium app. So here's the app. You get all it pre-installed. See, I'm not connected to any of the network. My Wi-Fi is there, but I'm not connected to it. But you all get all the content. Let me play a video. Say this. Let's start. Watch it in landscape mode.
So you just watched the video, right? So whether or not you know it, I'm going to assume that you know certain things. And that is that one, there are two ways in which things can travel. And the actual particles can go from one
This
point
is the sound quality.
to
After all, it's a 6000
particles
tab.
can just move about their mean.
You can't expect too much of performance from this tab. You gotta study with this. After all, it's for that. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button.